Hey everybody, Pro Trader Mike, Mojo Show in the afternoon recap from Monday, May 3rd. How's everybody doing? Nice. Got everything working right here at the desk in the office. Got my pictures back there. Did some good trading today. I'll give you an update of what's happening on what stocks we traded with the PULM. Right here, we're looking at the chart on this way, because it's the opposite when we do it. So it's the PULM chart. Always follow my mouse, folks, right here. See it? PULM on the 5-minute. We picked up this stock right here in the MOJO Day Trade room at, let's see. We picked up this stock at, I'll tell you right here, PULM. Enter. Mojo picked it, huge winner. Huge winner. PULM's got some legs. PULM's going crazy. Got 1,000 left, trail 25. That was old. I'll go back up here. Anyway, PULM we got in the 80 range. Stock went right here from PULM 280 on this break right here. I caught the first V band in the stock, which was probably right here around 280. Then it made another move up and we accumulated more, and then she came off to the races. So I was the first one before anybody to pick that up on any kind of scanner, and that's even what I kind of wrote. So let's see. I'll tell you about the special situation pick and the balls of some people. And par for the course, right? We did some good trading on that stock. ESES, so if you lost on that this morning, sorry, you could definitely be trading in the Mojo room, and instead of watching my YouTube videos, you could be making some profits with me, and that's what we do. So I got that going on. Trying to find this ESES was further down. PHMD, beautiful pick on PHMD. The 52-week high on the special situation pick. So what happened was, remember the other day when I mentioned what industry it was in? Rather than the people paying me for the pick, they took my chart. They went to research the industry, pulled up all the stocks that matched my chart, found the stock, and sent out the pick to everybody and gave it to everyone for free instead of paying me for it. That's some classy people out there, folks. That's what I got to deal with. Okay? Cheap ass people. It's unbelievable. Ooh, par for the course. So all I gotta say right here, when I'm doing the Mojo show, like this guy said, Mike, what's the deal on that TV show? Mike, what's the deal with your thing here? Listen, worry about yourself and not about Mike. Okay? You got a lot of your own problems. Everybody does in this room and coming to day trade. You've got a lot of problems. Okay? Nobody's a saint out there, believe me, especially in this game. So we traded NUGT and UVXY like champions. Look at the move on NUGT. NUGT made a move right here from under 30 to 32.75. It went ballistic. From here, 31 to 32.75 was a $1.75 point winner. I picked that in the room. Here's another winner that I picked right here. This is UVXY, going from 13.30 to 13.70 in the Mojo Day Trade room. Alan made $3,111 for the day. Gerardo made $650 by that point. Okay? This guy, Matty, made $253. And there's the new pick, $745. Okay? So the pick was stolen from Mike.
And another one.
And another one. Okay, so as I say right here, this is Business is a no friend zone. That's why business and friends and family don't mix. And that's what we have here, is a no friend zone. I'm here for business, okay? Why you would all do that to me and shoot the golden goose that feeds you is beyond belief. It's sneaky, underhanded, negative, and cheap people are dishonest and should not be trusted. People that have had problems with myself in this room before, look at yourself. You have problems with everybody in your life. Come and try to bash me and come try to put down the mojo. Dude, I got a wall of titanium up. DGF, I don't give a fuck. Because I'm a mother effing hustler and MFH. I'll kick the market's ass every day and you'll watch me on my videos, as you do every day. Because you're never allowed back in the MOJO Day Trade room because you've been banned. And eventually I'll have half the internet and Twitter banned, and eventually I'll have half of you in the room. Half of you out of those half will lose, and I'll have a quarter of you left. That's how it works. Mojo ain't going anywhere. Okay? I was done at 12:09. 20 days a month to trade, we were done. Okay? So PULM, right here. No scanner picked this up. None. See the bar? None. That was the first move in it that it ever made at 11:47 on PULM. Look, right here. 11:45. No one saw any of this yet. I was the first one. By the time everybody else saw it, every room in town is going to jump into that sucker and lose. And they did, and they jumped in right here, and they got sucked out and lost right there. That's the Mojo way. That's the difference of the Mojo from everybody else. And there it goes, 288 with a high of 90 and a new high on the 52-week pick of 750 on my pick. Okay? If you want the pick, it's 50% off of 50 bucks. Let me know if you want it. And nobody would get the pick. The reason why nobody gets the pick is because they freaking stole it and they did it without me, and the other guys gave it out to everybody else. Really classy bunch of people out there, man. Really classy for all the research I put into that pick. And by the way, look what the pick has done. Next time you'll see it'll be at 100. It's coming. It got taken down off Mojo University. It's not available anymore. Sorry. 1 or 2 people ruin it for everybody. Nuggets the big winner at 31.82. Look at the high, 31.91. The stock went up ballistic after that to 32.75. It went up 1 point. We nailed a 1 point winner in the Mojo room off an ETF. Big winner. Did you all hit that one today? LABD at 980 in LABD for a couple of days. MDXG at 1325 long with a signal on the ask. MDXG rocketed for us. Remember that, 1325. Look at it right now. 1361. Did you pick MDXG and get in that one today? Don't think so. I'm doing the last class of Mojo U tonight from 8 to 9, then the test is going to be available after that. Here's another V-band break that I nailed right here on Chesapeake, 550 to 555. Live in that sucker. May I please get connected to the live chat. I don't know why you wouldn't be connected to the live chat, because I blocked everyone in the room. I was pissed earlier because everybody took my sizzle. So we'll fix it. We'll fix it. There you go. I fixed it. Now you can connect. Yep. Unfortunate people do that. Gave you another amazing pick today. All I do is feed the people the golden goose. I sent out the swing pick for dry ships at 65 cents. Right here on the first bar. Did you get that first bar? I did. Every one of my subscribers did. And it ran up right there to 81 cents. Documented, man. Documented. Did you get it? Look at my day trade room. I'll show you. We nailed DRYS. Look at my print. What time was that? I'll tell you. I did it at 9:50 a.m. Let's go back to 9:50. It's 9:08. It's 9:33. Up, here it comes. Here it comes. Right here, boys. What does this say? This says dry ships at 9:45 a.m. Says fill her up. That's what it says. It says fill her up, baby. Send it out for the swing trade newsletters too. Right here. DRYS. Here we go. Timestamp 9:51 a.m. 66 cents by 65 cents. Right there on that first bar. Nice to be a member of the MOJO Swing Trade newsletter. Bing, ching, right from there, 66. I see a sunken ship sold for a 30% loss at 120 from 170. It's now 65 cents. I see if it comes back up to the surface. And it sure did. Sure did come back up to the surface. That's how I send out my newsletters. That was my analysis. Comes back up to the surface. What I do. Gerardo, couldn't even get you get into the chat, Gerardo. PHMD did a nice move too, up to $1.90 this morning also. I sent that one out. Look, MOJO Swing Trade newsletter. Right here, on the move. I have no time even to do anything. High 163 and get it at 10 o'clock. If you got it, you got it. If you didn't, you get the next one. Big deal. So you got 1 out of 2 today, or you got 2 out of 2 today. And PHMD from 10 o'clock and 24 seconds for my subscribers went right up here. By 10:05, it made this run right here from 150 on 632,000 shares. It wasn't all of us. We bought a couple thousand shares. Little threw a bone at it, and the boom, the thing went to 190 and everyone took a profit. Whether you made 5%, 10%, 15%, or 20%, you made money. Alan, you see this? New high on ABCD, Papa? You see? Alan's not here today. Alan and I own the stock at $1.65. $1.65. Thank you. CBLI, taking it off my screen. OCN, off my screen. ACPA, off my screen. PRAN, everything's coming off the screen, guys. VRX is off the screen. Every stock. We're starting over again with a new group tomorrow on top of the ones we already do. And that's how I do it. I do my dailies. So I'm deleting all these rows right here. All these stocks are done with for the day. And we do the same thing tomorrow. And the guys that got my pick, congratulations. You got it without paying for it. Magnificent. Yeah, I'll put some features in place that won't happen again. It's just because I made the mistake and mentioned the industry the other day, which was a mistake. But I guess that's my own fault. And that's it. So Pro Trader Mike's working and making it special. If you want to become a member of MOJO Day Trading, you can do that. Let me move my thing down here again. Right here. That's what I was supposed to have. I made these things like that. There we go. Shrink that sucker down. There we go. That's me. Become a special member. Now we did some stocks. Let's do some more educational entertainment. So if you check out the MOJO Day Trading website, let me get up a browser wowzer. Stick up a browser over here. So I'll look over here. Where if I'm looking over here, I'll go, yeah, okay. I just wanted to see what it looks like in the cam. Ooh. That's what it looks like. So I have right here, let me show you the site. So come to MOJO Day Trading. If you haven't not met Pro Trader Alan, listen, you should meet him.
Good afternoon and welcome to MOJO Day Trading. I'm Pro Trader Alan. I want to talk to you briefly today about my experience trading with MOJO Day Trading and Pro Trader Mike and the rest of our elite day trading team.
Yeah, great, Alan. Tell him how you haven't lost. Listen.
They make more money now than they presently make in a week. Check out.
Do you know what your secrets you're using to make money trading with
MOJODayTrading.com. Mike is constantly running specials and his trials. As long as $1 a day for you to try it through. So there is no excuse for you to see for yourself what your new life can be like.
Yeah.
And
Did you see that? Oh my gosh. Dude, PULM came up with a 275 in between the 80s right here. Did you see that? Dude, right here, in between the 280s, all of a sudden, a 75 came up. You didn't see that? Oh my gosh, dude. I couldn't believe that just happened. I thought I was like tripping. Listen to Alan. He'll tell you how long he's won for.
good, and I only trade the fixed that I haven't had a losing trading day since November of 2014.
What? Shut the hell up.
And a losing trading day since November of 2014.
Shut the F up, dude. You're out of your mind.
And incidentally, my system is so good, and I only trade the fixed that I haven't had a losing trading day since November of 2014.
Shut up! You're lying.
I only trade the fixed that I haven't had a losing trading day since November of 2014.
I believe you.
I not had a losing day since November of 2014. I do have a losing trade, however, but never ready for the day.
Hear that? Listen. Listen.
All right, folks. I have not had a losing day since November of 2014.
Why would the guy say that? Since November of 2014. Folks, it's 2017, folks. Okay?
I do have a losing trade, however, but never ready for the day. Thanks to Mike and his assistant, and his same on the reservation.
Yeah, buddy. So that was Alan. This is Alan 2 years ago, folks.
Hello there. This is Pro Trader Alan.
Ooh, much better at the
I want to talk to you briefly today a little bit about my experience trading with Pro Trader Mike and the elite MOJO Day Trade team.
Guys, this one was 2 years ago. Listen to Lobster. You don't believe, he's guy's a military machine. Listen, he's in the military.
I'm going to talk to you quickly about my time so far with MOJO Day Trading.
Look at this man's face and the honesty that's expressed, the dedication and support in his face.
I initially chose MOJO Day Trading and Pro Trader Mike due to Pro Trader Mike's commitment to integrity and professionalism that he brings to day trading.
See, I'm a good coach. I'm a hard coach, but I have professionalism and integrity, and that's why I win the Super Bowl. Belichick's won so many Super Bowls. He's a hard coach.
Along with his approach that day trading should be about building a business and that it should be a merit. Day trading.
I like this guy. I'm just going to look at his pictures because, you know, Lobster this guy's the man, dude, and he's serving us right now, guys, with some amazing stuff. Let me show you the
to his students and how he interacts with his students.
Let me show you the Lobster.
Usually on a personal basis and how he's more invested.
Nah, yeah, I'll show you on my Insta shot later. He's up there on, he's got all amazing stuff. I had it in the room.
Helps everyone every.
Let me show you the room. I got him in the room somewhere. Let's go lobster. Enter. Right here, see? Look, guys, this is the lob, man. Look at the lobster right here. See? Look at this guy. He's serving. This guy can't wait to come back to the room. Messages me all the time. This was on the 7th. He's serving. Look, this is him right here. And then he sent me these pictures of these planes that were flying. Let me see if I can find the planes. Let me see if I have that on my phone. He sends for that. Let's see. So I go to photos. It would be a video. Let's see. Videos. I thought I had videos. Live photos? No. Videos. Here they go. Nope. I don't have it. Oh well. I was looking for it, for his stuff. But he's a great guy. And then if you click next, there's some other great guys. This is Gerardo, guys. I don't know. Oh, that's Pro Trader Ant. You'll meet him during the webinar, and you'll meet Gerardo. Where's Gerardo's? I gotta add Gerardo's is in there. Gerardo's a model for everybody, man. Absolutely. So the courses are doing really well online. I want to thank everybody who's given me great feedback on the MOJO University courses. What happened, Christian? What? What do you mean, what? What do you mean, what? So I have, the courses are doing really well. Getting set up for a couple of webbies. The watch list did amazing today. Yeah, Alan video. Alan did amazing. So I have PHMD. So if you go to PHMD right here in the chart, I have every security guy that you can want in here, guys. Every security in the whole world. On my site, I'm an approved site to get all this data in real time. Photomedics, this is real time data. So you can see the chart, they match up. So if you go to right here and you go to PHMD, it's 142 by 3, same where it is right now, you see? And you can go to the 1 minute right here, and you see it's down the 1 minute, just like that. You can go to the 30 minute right there, looking real nice on the 30. And just different chart layouts and things you can use as tools right here. And it gives you the news on Photomedics. Let me show you, sorry. So here's the Photomedics. You could switch between an hour, 30 minutes, daily right here. You have all these tools. You can show areas and different kinds of cans, the news on it right here. And you can do this with all these stocks on the list that are looking real nice and how they've done. LABD's up there 2 days from 920. It's a high of 997. Nugget of $30 was at 32. Dry ships. And actually, if you want to see, I have, let me show you my model. Let me get it here in 10 seconds. I'll get it for you. Hold on. Hey, I only needed 5 seconds, guys. I only needed 5 seconds. Okay, let me show you right here. So you come to this website, stockhoot.com, and they have these analysts See, everybody says, Mike, let me see your statements, let me see your portfolio, let me see. You don't make money, you don't do, you make money, you don't make money. How do you think I have all this stuff, guys? Okay? It's because I've been doing this for 30 years. I finally have figured out the system, and I'm willing to teach it to everybody else. And it's no secret system. My picks are based on the Ken Slim system by William O'Neill. What William O'Neill did, he's the editor of the Investor's Business Daily, the newspaper. He also is the author of the #1 book on Wall Street called How to Make Money in Stocks. A bestseller with over 3 million people and hundreds of millions of copies sold. What he did was, back in the early days when computers first started, he looked at every winning stock in the history of time and he put them through his computer. Every stock that went from 20 to 100 per share. And he studied every fundamental and technical market variable that showed in the company at the time. He found they had 7 similar characteristics, which he created the acronym Ken Slim. C, current earnings per share. A, annual sales. N, new. All the companies had something amazing and new. All the companies were growing. C and A, annual sales and current earnings per share, at a certain amount every quarter, quarter after quarter, 3 months after 3 months. S is shares outstanding. There were a certain amount of shares outstanding that were displayed in the company at the time of its biggest move. L, was it a leader or a laggard in its industry? All of these became leaders and were the leader in the industry. If you like the coal companies and the coal is hot, and you got the crappiest coal company, it's a laggard, go with the leader, man. I, institutional sponsorship. Me and you aren't moving the stock. The mutual funds, pensions, banks, and everybody else there are. M, market momentum. You got to know what industry group, what's in phase, what's moving. Because if you're not in phase with the market, it doesn't matter what pick you're in. It ain't going to work. If you're out of the market in cash, you're going to miss the biggest market winners on a daily basis, because every day the hottest new companies are coming up on the scene. And that's the Ken Slim system. With that system, I've been able to outperform everybody, MOJO Day Trading, with an average return of only 2.45%, but I'm up 210% doing that. Look, here's the picks. I got 100,000 Roxy right now at a target of 2. And I'm up right here. I was up so much more earlier in it. That's a closed position. Let me show you my open positions. I got to sign in. So here's my positions right here. I've opened. I have Roxy at 181. I have $100,000 worth of it. I was up much more before. Now I'm up 1,685. Jivo, I'm up 6%. I have $25,000 in Jivo. At cost basis 98 cents, and Jivo's $1.04. I have a target price of $1.25. Roxy, I got a target price of 3. And if I were to put up my special situation pick on here, forget about it. Then I have RAD right here at the cost basis of 411. It's at 408. Then I have UV at 1319. I have $132,000 in UV. A big percentage of the portfolio. That's up 2.2. That was up a lot more before, but I'm not selling it today. And then DCTH, I threw a bone for 9 Gs. This has got 132 Gs, 40 Gs, 25 Gs, and 100 Gs. And right there, doing those picks and taking these closed positions, I'm very transparent. You can see the trading, what I'm getting stopped out in, what I'm hitting targets in, and every pick that I've made. It's all right there. And you could subscribe to this for free. And that's it. I have a lot of replies and things in there and so forth. And you can reply for this for free, because it's a free thing. Right here, subscribe, it's free. Everyone else is charging money, I'm not. Okay? When I give out a pick on there, it's a pick for you all. It's not my special situation pick where you gotta pay me for it. If you wanna join my service and get the nitty gritty of what I do better than that, you'll come and join the subscription service for the MOJO Day Trade team. Yeah, I was talking during Alan's video, saying what? What? What I was doing. So that's what happened here with the market today. There's the proof in the pudding that I gave to you. I have a new demo program and simulation partner that has been created that I worked a long time on. And that's going to be launching soon. If you want to get coached with your trading and make sure you win on a daily basis, let's do that for a week. Then you can go live and we'll replicate the same thing and you'll make money on a daily basis. If you go to mojodaytrading.com right here and you go to erase the watch list right here. If you go to MOJO Day Trading and you erase the watch list up top and put in special, it'll take you to this page. And right here, you can become a member for $49, which is 50% off the regular rate. As a bonus, I'm going to give you the video that I'm giving everyone also in the webinar, which has cost me $49. It's amazingly worth it. That video. So basically, you're getting the first month for free if you come to the Mojo and you try to trade with us and so forth. Let me show you here. I have.
Do you want to learn the secrets traders are using to
No. Let's just close this. I want to show you something, and you could tell me if you think it's worth it. Not it. Let me show you a poll. That was taken from MOJO University. Right here. So this is the poll that was taken from MOJO University. Let me show you. So right here, I said to these people, I said, for the entire day trading course, did you have any questions that I didn't cover? 100% to your complete understanding. And by the way, guys, this is an anonymous poll. It's multiple choice, and I shared the results. So I have no idea what these 12 people in my class that all paid $2,000 to $3,000, how they felt about it. So, did I cover over 100% to your complete understanding that you now have a business game plan to achieve your outcome goals every day, every week, for the rest of your entire life? Yes, maybe, and no. It was a very simple question. Then, what I did was I asked them another one. I said, for the day trading, the same 12 people, for the day trading portion is now over for the October 2016 class. Did you get what you paid for with the education and tools that were provided? 110% priceless. They could have put 100%, it was worth it. 50% it was okay, or it's a scam. These people opted to pick the 110, okay? And that's not my only poll. I have a couple other ones that I had saved right here. MOJO University is over. Have you gotten what you've paid for? Pro Trader Mike, gotten what you paid for. 26 people in this class. It's kind of priceless if you ask me. 4 people, it's worth 10 times what I paid. Nobody put they got what they paid for, and nobody put not what they paid for. That's the difference of the 30 people in my class that come into MOJO University. See? That's the difference. And I have a tuition rebate program with the top firms in the world that want you to trade there. And if you do, they'll reimburse you back for the cost of your trading education. See, there's other firms that claim, I'm the only ones on Wall Street that do that. Well, you copied it from me. You should call your gap and go strategy your gap and stop strategy. It ain't a gap and go no more. It's a gap and stop and lose money. You know? You don't Ching. Yep. Everything you put out in your room, oh, you're all done, you're lost, you're done, and you have to overtrade, you're changing your schedule, you're not done by 10 o'clock anymore. I trade all day long, folks. I picked MDXG right here at the end of the day. You could have been in here, you could have done this one trade right here. PULM and MDXG. That's it. Another great pick, Mike. MDXG. High, 1352. Let's buy it. Let's buy it. Just scalped a quick 97. Nice. There it goes, 61. There it goes. Say what? Yeah, there it goes. Say what? And that's what we do on the MOJO Day Trade Show. So everybody, I like blinking at you. I like it. Do you know I'm broadcasting in Japan, the United Kingdom, Asia, Africa? I'm broadcasting worldwide right now on 14 different streams. YouTube, Periscope, Facebook, Twitch, Ubujubu, Take EDU, Live Stream, Connect Stream, all of them. Hello world, from the MOJO Day Trade team. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Say what? Yeah, I am. Thank you. Thank you, thank you. Yeah, I got the MOJO computer. I'm doing a nice blog post on that. Look at that thing. I have a 1 terabyte hard drive with a 2 terabyte storage set backup. I have like 3 terabytes of memory and storage. I have 64 gigabytes, not 32, 64. I have a DDR 3000 megahertz processor. Sick ass ASUS 96, ASUS 99 motherboard. 3000 megahertz. I'm gonna be writing a whole article on the computer. Mine's top notch. You don't need that much RAM. You don't need that much memory. You don't need that much speed. But I like to. I like to have the best. Because I trade better. I run a better business when I have the best. When the best is available, you use it. Just like the MOJO Day Trade team. And the room. When the best is available, you use it. Live person may go up. All these internet stocks are doing okay now. Groupon. See what Groupon's doing. I may get back in looking at Groupon. Got crushed. I thought it was gonna go up to. I thought it was gonna go up towards 4. Guess it came out bad earnings. Oh, I gave out the stock 9 months ago. It's up. I'm a hero. That's what this other service is doing. I gave you this. It got bought out. I picked it 9 months ago. Cool, man. Cool. That's it. Market's closing in 9 minutes. When we were trading at 10:45 this morning, it felt like it was forever. I went out, got my car washed, went to the bank, went to grab a little snack. I was thinking, man, I'm in Home Depot right now, getting some parts for my plumbing on my toilet, and everyone else is in work right now. I feel guilty, but I don't. Because I'm my own boss, run my own business. I can come and go as I please. I used to play golf every day for the first year of MOJO Day Trading. I used to leave it. It was strict. I would leave every day at 11 o'clock, and I'd go play golf. And I got my golf game down from mid-80s to 80 to 75 to 72. And now I shoot 72 and scratch every time. Every time I go out and play, I'm shooting 4 birdies, 3 birdies per 9 holes. That's what we do. We do. Nothing's happening, man. Mojo wave theory. You know what Mojo wave theory is, right? Here's Mojo wave theory. Check out the blog. I did a wave theory one. Covered calls, journaling, trade book, ETF, paralysis of analysis, bankroll management's good. Let's see some older posts. There's Alan. There's the real estate flipper versus the covered call writer. That's a good one. Stock market. When's the next holiday? Up. Yeah. Very nice. May 29th. Memorial Day. Nice. There's a webinar I did. Understanding level 2. Older post. I gotta fix the bottom of that. Day trade for a little rep. That's a good one. Repetition is the key to mastery. Can't find it. Interactive smorgasbord. What's your motto is a good one. Day trade for a living basics. That was a webinar. My holiday. That was a nice holiday for the team. Oh, here's a covered call. Another one. Option study lesson. Another one for covered calls. I'm going to link that up to the other ones I've done on covered calls. I'm going to link the 2 posts. Good idea. Down megaphone pattern. And that's pretty much it. I can't find it. Oh well. Very nice. Pro Trader Mike signing off, everybody. Peace. Keep it profitable. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking right there. Just right there. Click subscribe so you'll get notified every single time that I go live. You'll be a cool cat for sure. Chwang! Because that's what we do for Mojo Day Trading. And I want you to become the next pro trader. So with that said, everybody, peace. See you later.